Hey guys, in this video, we are going to take a look onto the walkthrough of Red, which is an easy forensic Picoctf 2025 browser website solver mission. And as you can see from the description, it's about red. And you do have red.png, which is an image file. And let's download and open this. And this is it. This is basically an image file, right? Which is of red background, right? So we do have hints like hint 1, 2, 3. And the hint one is saying that this picture seems pure, but is it though? And picture hint two is red, get bad age is what it is saying. And the hint three is about check whatever Facebook is called now. So these are the three hints, and this seems to be confusing, right? So we can extract the metadata of this red.png file by going to downloads, and here is our, let me remove the confidential.pdf. So basically this is our red.png. So let's perform a metadata research by using exif tool, which will give you the metadata information. And from here you can see there is a poem attached to this metadata, and which is saying that crimson heart vibrant and bold, herds flutter at your side, evenings glow softly red, cherries burst with sweet leaves, kisses linger with your warmth, love deep as merlot, scarlet leaves falling softly, bold in every stroke is what is a poem written here in the exif tool, here in the metadata of the red.png. So basically there is something hidden in this flag, and let's try to view the strings using the strings command, and let's try to view the red.png from the strings. Also, this is what you are getting, seems to be a poem, right, in the strings. Okay, so let's try to use tools like steg hide for extracting this. Steg hide extract minus sf red.png, but without a password. Unfortunately, the .png is not supported in the steg hide. So you can just pretty much extract .png files by using tools like setsteg. And let us search for setsteg, and here is the GitHub repository for setsteg. So let's download this and configure it on our Kali Linux, and let's use the git clone command to cloning the repository from the GitHub to my Kali Linux, and it's done. So now I'm just moving to the setsteg directory, and I'm just entering ls, and from the GitHub repo I just get the installation menu, which seems to be installation. You can just enter gem install setsteg. So let's do that, and the installation was completed. So from the GitHub repo, it is saying that you can just pretty much use the setsteg minus h to get the help menu. Let me use that, but unfortunately it is saying that command not found, so it's not properly configured. So what we can do here is we do have bin, which seems to be binary. Let's try to move to the bin directory, and here it is, our setsteg is there. So let's try to use execute the setsteg, and let's see, yeah, we were able to execute the setsteg. And from this help menu of the setsteg, you can just use the .png file name .png, that is an image.png. You can just pretty much extract informations with the .png extension using this setsteg tool. And as you can see, these are the options: minus a for all, which is seems to be try all non methods, and minus capital E for extracting name, and etc. Available informations are there, but we are trying to extract try all non methods and extract everything from that image. Okay, so I'm just going to use minus a instead of minus all. You can also specify minus all or minus a. So yeah, let's try to use this by executing setsteg and minus a for all, and the path of the image seems to be in my downloads red.png, and here it is. Oh my god, we were able to enumerate a plenty of informations by executing the command for getting all from that particular image. And let's start from the beginning. So yeah, I'm just scrolling, and here it is. Here is the beginning, and this is the meta poem that we were able to read from the metadata and the strings. And you do have something here called text, and which seems to be equal to at the end. It seems to be base 64. And what's interesting here is this is the repetition like this is repeated multiple times, right? It's starting with the CGL and ending with the equal to, and it is repeating multiple times, and at the end there will be equal to, which means it may be the base 64. So let's try to decode this using tools like echo and the content and the pipe symbol and base 64 minus d. This is how you decode the base 64 contents inside the terminal itself. You can also use base 64 decoder online, or tools like cyberchef online. So here I'm just using the terminal to extract the base 64 content, and boom guys, we were able to get the flag, and here it is. Here is a flag, Picoctf. Red is the ultimate cure for redness. So this is what we were able to get. The flag, by using the search tag tool, we were able to enumerate much information, right? So yeah, that's pretty much interesting, right? Yeah, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, enjoyed learning something from this video, and thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.